Sabi ko na nga ba, what was going on through your head?
Honestly, Pia, I was only 16 years old when I actually sang the song, but I have to thank the late Bernadette Gutierrez for that very beautiful song that I sang with Wea Records. That was my first album, Cheryl.
Yeah.
So, I really didn't know anything about love that time. Alam mo yung ibig ko sabihin, but
so not your words.
Not my words, but I guess...
What kind of coaching did she give you para malaparan mo ng...
Malaparan ko.
Ng ukol na emosyon.
Ng emotion. She actually made the song Kaibigan Lang Pala na na popular din dito sa atin. Siguro yung time na yon, dumaraan ako sa mga experience na, getting to know guys. So medyo siguro medyo tama yung emotions na nalagay ko dun sa song.
Galing.
So, thank you Lord.
Galing. What
Ang galing.
Kevin, Kevin. Of course, si Keyu.
It was such a pleasure. Thank you.
Yung head writer namin,
si
Bebet.
Yes,
Talagang
Bebet. Love you, Bebet.
Singing to the top of her lungs, diba? Like, it was just yesterday nung nanonood siya ng Wednesday group at kinakanta mo yan sa Dance Entertainment.
Kuya Germs na miss ko, Pia.
Diba? Oo. How about the Wednesday group members?
I do, of course. I miss.
Not so much because I hear you guys always do reunions.
Yes.
Lalo na pag holiday season.
Yung pag holiday season na kaya, di ba, may mga iMessenger na rin ngayon ng mga chat groups. So,
sinong madalas mong kachikahan lagi? Ayun sila. Kayo lagi daw yung nananalo eh.
Hindi naman kasi ako, talagang machika na tao, pero I do get to work with Celebrile, but ayan, si Cecil Galvez, yan.
We also had Tina Paner recently, and wala rin siyang kupas. Pare-pareho kayo.
Si Kite.
Parang walang kupas ang boses, ang itsura. Diba? It must have been so much fun. What were those days like? Para kang may instant gimmick with the barkada every time kayo papasok for work.
Actually, it was a training na rin for us dahil si Kuya Germs, kung paano sila na-train ng mga star 60s before sa Sampaguita, like with my mom, my aunt, ganyan sa Sampaguita. Productions kung saan sila nakakontrata. Ganon din yung training na ginawa sa amin ni Kuya Germs nung nasa That's Entertainment kami. Paano makisama sa mga press, sa mga fans, sa mga kasama namin sa industriya. Especially yung pagbigay ng respeto sa oras sa kapwa mong mga katrabaho.
Talagang na-timing pa talaga kay Jano eh. Habang sinasabi mo yun.
Yan. Okay. Pero si Jano, napakabuting tao rin yan. Kenkoy, napaka-talentado.
Multi-talented. Oo. Talented comedian, talented singer, actor.
Writer, diba? Ganun, storyteller.
Oo. So, para siyang workshop, gimmick, diba? Work.
Meron kaming drama live. So, pagka nagkamali-mali ka doon, walang take two. So, repeat mo na lang ulit. So,
Oo. This year ba, magkakaroon ng reunion ulit ang Wednesday group?
I still don't know, but of course, I miss the times na nandun kami noon nagpa-perform sa Araneta. If you could still remember that, or you're still too young that time, no, Pia? Pero every year kasi merong isang malaking okasyon na laging punong-puno ng tao yung Araneta Coliseum. And every time, lahat ng araw naglalaban-laban. From Mondays to Fridays. Tapos nadagdagan pa kami ng Saturday. So, wala kaming mga magagandang studios unlike now. So napakaswerte ng mga artista natin ngayon because now they have workshops and hindi na yung mga yung mga studios na kalsada lang yung pinag-eensayuhan nila because us, during that time, naaalala ko sa Jamboree Studio. Yung tapat nun, kalsada yon. So, doon kami doon kami nag-ensayo in preparation for our big production number for Araneta Coliseum na gagawin doon sa labanan nga ng mga araw. So, those days were thrilling for me.
Grabe, no? Parang your whole life talaga, parang you were really destined to do what you're doing. Kasi 4 years old ka pa lang, nagsimula ka na sa show business. You had your first movie with Nino Mulak. Yes. Anong pinaka-priceless do you remember anything from that? I don't remember anything from when I was 4 years old.
Well, anyways, ako naman...
But at least ito na sa film.
Yes. Anyways, nung tinitingnan ko nga yung mga pictures na pinapakita nyo kanina from when I was younger or when I started, it was just a blast from the past. I'm so grateful because I thought that my work was a playground lang talaga. Yeah. Because my mom is there, my father's there, my aunt, my uncle, my cousins.
Yes.
So, eventually, sinabi sa akin ng auntie ko na, there's more to life than just your world of acting or being
Who's
in
this?
the arts.
Which
Auntie Susan?
Tita
Is
Susan.
my second mom. Siya na yung nagpalaki sa akin when my mom went to the States. So, she was the one who taught me about life, about boys, boys.
What did she say about boys?
Well, sabi niya sa akin, pagka nakilala mo na yung tao na talagang mamahalin mo habang buhay, ay hindi mo na pag tiningnan mo siya at halimbawa magbago man yung itsura niya, dahil di ba syempre, pag nasa prime tayo ng life natin, fit tayo. Tapos nun, we're all good looking, di ba yung ganyan. Tapos nun, pag dumating yung oras na nababawasan na yung ngipin, nababawasan na yung buhok sa iba, di ba yung ganon? Tapos medyo nagkakaroon na ng nadadagdagan na yung timbang, di ba? Pag hindi mo na inisip na na ang mahalaga yung physical niya, kundi yung talagang mahal mo because you don't care kung anong itsura niya, then that's how you know you love that person. Yun. Ay, may kinikilig.
Oo nga.
May in love.
Meron bang ganun sa buhay mo ngayon?
Actually, the one that inspires me right now, Pia, besides yung mga crushes, no? Even at my age, no? I mean,
that's good to know.
Meron pa rin naman akong mga crushes, ganyan. But the one who really gives me inspiration right now, besides my work, is my daughter, si Ashley.
Yes.
Ashley, kamusta ka dyan? Nandun siya sa bahay, taong bakay.
Ay! So she's back from the States.
She's back. But I'm so proud because talagang hindi ko naman ine-expect na yung kanyang regalo sa akin sa buhay ko bilang isang nanay ay yung bigyan niya ako ng
karangalan.
Na tawagin na mama ng isang summa cum laude.
Wow! And from San Francisco University?
Yeah, San Francisco State University Psychology major, Ethnic Studies minor.
Anong feeling niyan, Cheryl, as a mom?
Actually, 22 years old na siya ngayon, pero when you see us together, para kaming mga magkapatid. Totoo pala yun, Pia, kasi pag dumating yung oras na medyo, alam mo, parang nagkakahabula na kayo ng edad ng anak mo. Sabi niya, Mom, you know what, sometimes you act like you're my kid. Ganon. Sabi ko, no, anak, sabi kong ganon, always remember na you can tell me anything and that I will be here for you. But one thing that you can never take away from me is taking care of you as your mother.
Wasn't that tough though? She was in San Francisco for most of her
It was
college
tough
life.
during college because ang reminder na lang sa akin ng aunt ko, you have to set them free. Diba? People you love, whether yung, let's say, yung opposite sex, nakarelasyon mo, o mga anak mo, you have to set them free and let them come back to you because they also have to live their own lives. Di ba yun yun? Pero for as long as alam ko na I was able to bring her up well, or kahit pa paano yung in the way na pinalaki kami ng magulang namin, ng auntie ko, ng uncle ko, pati ng yaya ko, ng nanay Dora, ito na nanonood. Kampante na ako na okay siya.
Nanay Dora, who's been with you
Until
since
now?
she was 16 years when you were 16?
With my family, no? Si Nanay Dora started with our family when she was 16 years old. So, in short, Pia, wala pa ako dito sa mundong ito.
When she was 16?
When she was 16, she started with my mom's family. And until now,
anong role ang ibinigay niya sa buhay mo?
She's my third mom.
Oo.
She's my third mom. Kaya minsan, di ba, pagka napipintasan tayo, nakakansyawan tayo ng magulang natin na, ikaw man, nakasayaya mo yung ugali mo, man, di ba yung ganyan? Now, I own it. Alam mo yung ibig sabihin?
Naman,
because if it wasn't for her, hindi ako magiging matatag, ganyan. Kasi yung yaya ko,
talaga
kami na
naman.
yung mga anak, hanggang sa aming mga anak, sa apo na niya yun. And I'm so happy because I'm also part of her family.
We were totally molded just as much by our caretakers, di ba? Our yayas.
Yes, and then sometimes,
our titas or lolas.
I ask her, di ba, Nay, sabi kong ganon, bakit mo sa akin gusto? Sabi ko, marami dyan, mga pinsan ko, maraming datong, sabi kong ganon. I mean, they have more financial stability, they're more financial stable, ganyan.
What would she say?
Ganyan. Sabi niya, it's not about the money. It's about the person that you care for.
Yun.
So, bibihira na yung mga tao na merong malasakit. And I'm so grateful sa may kapal because we have people like her who love us. Yun. Na, I love you.
Yes. Eto na nga, Cheryl, you mentioned people who are important to you in your life. Marami kang nakasamang mga box office kings and queens during the 80s when you were doing movies. Describe one happy thought kapag lumabas sa ating LED screen itong mga taong malapit sa iyong puso na nakatrabaho mo rin. Let's start with this photo.
Wow! Wow, si Miss Nora Honor. Naaalala ko siya dun sa Lola Basyang, kasama namin nila Manny, Lynn at Tina. Very down to earth at saka napaka-humble na tao.
Diba, no?
Yun lang yung masasabi ko.
Hindi niya pinapamukha sa iba or pinapa-feel sa iba yung pagiging superstar niya. She's really so humble and down to earth. You're right about that. Next picture.
Wow! Daddy Dolphy. Alam mo, napaka-fortunate ko, Pia, because nagampanan ko yung role na Shirley.
Yes!
Ba, si Ate Maricel yun, Miss Maricel Soriano yun, in another channel.
Oo.
So kahit paano, naramdaman ko kung paano maging anak-anakan niya. And it felt so wonderful because napakalambing. At saka nakakatawang tao. Nakakatawang tao. Talagang, sabi nila, di ba, yung mga taong nakakatawa, yun yung mga seryosong tao sa buhay. It didn't even occur to me na seryoso because every time he says something, naaalala ko, parang loko lang eh. Kasi he has a way of saying it na talagang matatawa ka. Yun, natural. Napaka-natural niya when it comes to comedy. Napaka-natural.
Net 25, this is Pia Guanyumago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!